Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to sign in to your Skype account. First, click on browser. Go to skype.com. Click on sign in button on the right side of your screen. Click on my account button. If you are using from Skype app, click on Skype app and the following process are the same. Enter your email, phone number or Skype. Click on next button. Enter your password. If you have forgot your password, click on forget my password, and if you are using from your own computer, click on keep me sign in. After clicking on this, you don't have to sign in again when you use it next time. Click on sign in button. Now your Skype has been successfully logged in. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.
Yeah.